Bye bye. Oh no. Whoa. Whoa. And for the last time, this is gonna happen.
No, I got even better one.
Oh my god! I think this is easier. Don't make her.
Don't oh shit. Almost. Julie, we came back for you.
Say bye bye!
It's quite right, huh?
Yeah. Faster say hi.
Hi everybody!
Okay, now it's... Hello! I can scream and shout and let it all out. Whoa. Shit, man. It's actually quite loud eh. It's actually damn loud eh. You know? I don't know how Clarence is not in her jacket, seriously. You look at the blade. You just look at not the blade, but the center of the turbine.
It's going forward.
It looks like it's it's gonna tilt forward and fall.
Oh, 原来我的 people comment.
I can't visualize
So
it.
cool. Okay, you look at
Because-
it. It's
no,
not
because-
moving at all, right?
Yeah, I know, but because at the back of my head I know that the clouds are moving.
Okay, then
and-
just pretend
but
that
I can't get it out.
Oh.
Yeah, blade attached to
This time when I look up, right, I suddenly got a shock. I thought the thing would fall. Then I realized it's the cloud. I was like, could it be the wind so strong that the whole thing is moving and not
Okay.
the plane? Then I was like, oh, I realized it's quite
I'm gonna try and see if I can put it still and then look at the clouds moving.
Right.
But if you record it on your camera, it will.
I don't- yeah, I
the
think
application.
yeah, you won't be able to see it.
I can't it just keeps moving. I can't switch to Clarence view.
I can switch.
I can switch it so.
So smart.
We're gonna rap the old school song, guys. Let's do this. I was thinking about her, thinking about me, thinking about us, what we gonna be. Open my eyes, it was only just a dream. So I traveled back down that road. Will she come back? No one knows. I realized it was only just a dream.
I was at the top and now it's like I'm in the basement. Number one spot and now she find her replacement. I swear now I can't take it, knowing somebody's got my baby. And now you ain't around, baby, I can't think. Should've put it down, should've got the ring. Cause I can still feel it in the air. See her pretty face, run my fingers through her hair. My love, my life, my story, my wife. She left me, I'm tired. Cause
beer, whatever shit. Ginger, Hefeweizen, alt, and then coffee stout. Are you going down?
You can go down.
Man, fuck that shit. I'll be out spending all this money while you're sitting around wondering why it wasn't you who came out from nothing. Made it from the bottom, now you see me, I'm standing. And all of my cars started to push off a button. Switch number to my phone so you never could call it. Don't need my name on my shirt, you can tell me I'm balling. Swish, what a chick, could have got picked. But you need your last shot, so you talk about who is at the top. Or why you couldn't solve it, said to say it's over for.
Phantom pulled up, valet, open doors.
If I go away, got what you want.
Before.
Tough luck, guys. No olive oil, no wine, no anything.
Oh, you went to the. Yeah, you went to the.
Why? No time. Chicken's blocking our way now. Not funny, eh? I'm thinking of it. What are you doing?
It's like you want to grab that.
Yeah, damn cute.
Is that how he picked those?
Hello! Valley of the Giants. And then you see the idiots. This idiot. So we're climbing. Look down, guys, look down. Okay, I'm going to bring you guys to look downwards. Chill, guys, chill. Okay, because I never bring my camera, I'm going to take a photo with this and I'm going to stop this. See you. Bye.
Desire. Let's go. You say I want it that way. You are my fire.
Oh my god, you can go Mambo nights, yeah?
Desire.
Look at Enghan, guys. What the hell? I don't understand him. I really don't.
You bend a bit lower, can see Renoma already.
Margaret River Hotel. It's great.
I think you put your in the fridge.
No.
I'm hungry. Don't judge.
Super judge. I put in the fridge so you can get cold. What you want to open now? Huh? Act cute only. Look at all the moles. Watching TV, hanging out. Going to sleep. Hello people. Jodie is naked, changing. She's not technically naked yet. There she is. What? What? It's not like you're naked yet, what? Anyway, it is. Let's see. It's now 10:20. I'm watching Jimmy Fallon. Oh, nice. Oh, it's a Russell Brand Shoe episode. So anyway, here in Margaret River, and I'm very tired, and there's something obscene going on there. So I'm gonna just leave you. You seriously want to show them this? I'm gonna post it. Yep, that's what she's doing. I might just head to school. So anyway, I need to head to school to upload the vlogs. If I have the energy to even edit the vlogs, I might upload. If not, then it'll be back in Singapore before I upload the vlogs. And so now I'm just gonna leave here because I'm gonna watch my Jimmy Fallon. Say bye. Going to sleep. Good night. Goodbye. I'm too tired to even talk to you. I'm so tired that I took a nap in the car. So you know I don't do that. So just